This is going to be a bit of a dyno update. Obviously I've got to put a roller shutter in there, and I've just laid the first row of bricks. All the way down. Hopefully that's going to be a door of some sort. I'll actually work out the size. I think it's got to be a little bit smaller than that. All the way down, and then tie in up on the wall. There's the dyno fan. That's a 15 kilowatt monster, and the front ducting for that fan is just there. And that gives a true 70 mile an hour airspeed out at the end of that. And then we've got the exhaust extraction fans and the air extraction fans for the room. The dyno box. So once the roller shutter's in, this front window will actually be the exhaust extraction, and that will come out the side of the workshop and then go down the side of the workshop. So we'll have exhaust going through there, probably on its a separate system, but exhaust and the room extraction. And that window there should be blocked up. And then with this wall, we've got all these blocks to clean up, which have come out of other holes that I've made for the roller shutters and things. We're going to go 4 layers high in the concrete blocks, and then the rest of it's going to be in breeze block. So as you can see, it's a bit of a mess. And we will get these bikes on the dyno at some point. So that's the fan. That's going to be up this end of the dyno, basically where that bike is. And then the back of the dyno room's there. So the fan intake, or the intake for the entire room, will be up in the eaves. So it will come in from there. Some of it will just go through the room and some of it will go through the fan. And then rear-wheel drive cars will pretty much be right up here, basically where the back of the beater is. That's basically where the front of all the rear-wheel drive cars will be. And then we'll slide the fan down. We don't want to move the dyno at all. All the front-wheel drive cars will be placed on the dyno with the backs on frames. So there'll be a frame in front and a frame behind the dyno. So we've got both vehicles. So front-wheel drive can go obviously on this frame, and then we'll have a set of ramps which lead out, possibly out the door slightly, depending on how long I make things. But we want to be able to get a front-wheel drive vehicle completely flat, so it's not up at an angle and things like that. Nice and flat, so the oil stays in the right place. And that will sit going towards the entrance, and then rear-wheel drive cars will sit right out the front on their own frame. So there's quite a lot to do, obviously. This floor, once this room is built and these walls are up, the floor's going to have to be resined before anything else is done. And then there's insulation to go in to make sure that we keep the sound in and stop reverberation. So these walls will all be insulated on the inside. So this is a test lay just to see where the bricks lay, but I'm going to resin in stud work pretty much through every block all the way up, maybe every other block, and then I'll cement the bottom set of blocks, and then there's going to be another 3 courses on top of this. That's 4 courses of concrete blocks, and then I'm going to go over to breeze blocks on top of that. So it'll be breeze block outer, and because obviously I'm going to be laying the breeze blocks up end, or on their side should I say, I might then batten the inside of the breeze blocks. So the whole of this dyno unit is going to have internal insulation to stop reverberation of noise, because obviously it's solid walls both sides. And then hopefully with the roof or the ceiling of the dyno, probably a sound insulation board going across the top, and then maybe even a soundboard on the other side. Not sure yet. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, subscribe, hit that bell and get the notifications. You can also check us out on Facebook, the link's going to be in the description. Thanks for watching and we'll see you soon.